Welcome to Berkshire Used Cars and our latest video for this Range Rover Sport. This is the SD V6 Autobiography Dynamic. It's an 8-speed automatic, first registered 31st of March 2015. Just the one former keeper from new. The Euro 5 diesel engine produces 306 brake horsepower. Manufacturer's claimed average MPG 40 to the gallon. Car benefits from comprehensive service history comprising 5 visits in total, 4 of which with Land Rover. The last service was done at the end of September 2022 at 82,700 miles, including a new set of front and rear brake pads. Good set of tyres on the vehicle, Continentals across the front on 3.7 and 3.8mm of tread, Continental and Triangle on rears on 3.9 and a new tyre. Car's finished in Santorini black and is in super condition. As with the exterior of this Range Rover, likewise the interior is in very good condition for its age and mileage. It features the two-tone ebony ivory interior with a suede ivory headlining and the optional panoramic electric tilt slide sunroof. As the Autobiography, it has a fantastic level of standard specification. Keyless entry and keyless start. Electric memory front seats, both of which are heated and cooled, with the rear seats being heated. Heated steering wheel and heated front screen. AM/FM radio, DAB, CD player, auxiliary, USB inputs, hard drive, DVD player and Bluetooth music streaming. Automatic xenon headlights with daytime running lights and automatic windscreen wipers. This Range Rover Sport is now fully prepared for sale and ready to be driven away the same day as viewing. It's motor check clear, so there is no outstanding finance and the vehicle's not been involved in any insurance total loss claims. We have the full book pack, space saver spare wheel along with all tools, locking wheel bolt and 2 remote control keys. The only thing missing is the tonneau cover. Thank you for watching this latest video. And should you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch, or alternatively do visit our website, which is berkshireusedcars.co.uk, where you will find full information regarding warranties on offer, customer testimonials, part exchange form, as well as our interactive finance calculator, giving the ability to apply for a low rate loan online in minutes. Thank you for watching this video.